Hey y'all, welcome to Ross Allen Outdoor Adventures. In this video, I will be taking you along with me and Papaw, and we're going to be fishing in the dark, fishing a night tournament on Lake Cumberland. Stay tuned. At the time, I ain't started videoing. I started videoing a little bit later. We had done caught 2 fish at this time, and none of them were keepers. I caught one and Papaw caught one, but neither of them were keepers. But I'll put y'all straight into the video.
Got that? Hold your rod. Hang on. Hang on. Let me loosen you a little bit of drag. Drill.
Where's my first spot?
It might be a spot.
So that's a good size spot.
Pop your bell up in there and get me a little bit of line. Largemouth.
Largemouth?
Yeah.
Oh, there ain't no keeper in it.
No, I think he's gonna be a little short.
Yep.
Yep. There you go.
I was hoping it's a spot.
That's it. 14 inches.
14 inches.
Yep. That's good though. We're getting bit.
Little one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Little spot or?
Yeah, I think so.
Next.
That might be a keeper. New pliers. I think you will.
You largemouth?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. He's a keeper.
A little bit over 15.
Okay. It's a start.
Yep.
So we'll have him on count. He's probably about a 1.
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah. Ah, I think he came off.
You come on?
Yeah. going.
Fling him in here.
A little bitty thing.
There's him down here. Let me get him off. Oh, God. Oh. Cause it right there. Give me some line. Oh, dang it in my finger. You're gonna have to come down here and help me. You're gonna have to try to get that pliers and yank it. Okay. Them things will get a hook in your finger in a heartbeat. Old catfish.
Big old catfish. You want me to net it?
Me pliers.
Yeah, probably a keeper. That, y'all, we'll probably just call our second keeper.
Be close.
We'll see.
Yep, he just barely. He is.
Nope.
17 and a half.
17 and a half. So
See that?
close. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a keeper then.
No.
How many you caught?
I don't know.
You probably caught, I don't know. I feel like you've caught 7 or 8. I know I've probably caught 4 or 5. And then you caught 2
7,
keepers.
yeah.
We're back at the boat ramp and got 3 keepers, but I don't think it's enough to win. Stay tuned.
Third place, Justin.
Y'all, we finished the tournament. We weighed the fish in, and we had, you know, them 3 keepers, and it was 5 pounds and 16. Yeah, we caught our limit. We didn't win though. It took 13 pounds to win, which is a lot of weight. But I'm just glad we got our limit. We did good. We had fun. That's about all you can ask for. Had a good time. We're gonna try it again next Thursday. But y'all remember, like, subscribe, and share with your friends, y'all. And remember, I'm trying to reach my goal, getting 1,000 subscribers. So if you ain't subscribed already, subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button. It would help me a lot, and share with your friends.